Oh.
Tell him to go buy a gym set. Tell him to go buy a gym set. He may better have better luck with that. Get him a gym set.
He got something wrong. He got something wrong over there. He's gonna have to start all over. Tell him he better start wearing that fanny pack. Tell him he needs to start wearing that fanny pack over there. My antenna's 20 feet off the ground in 4 elements, man. I'm making it rough on that duck out there. Tell him to go back to the goodie store, man. I'm working a 4-element beam, 4 pills over here, making it real rough on that man with that big old antenna. Making him look bad. I'm making that man look bad.
Yeah, I guess I lost Mother Nature. Hey, take it easy, take care down there around Illinois. Like I said, tell old Nickel he can go get himself a swing set, a gym set, do something. But I ain't taking the big long monster down. I'll see you. Bye. Bye-bye-bye.